So welcome to Laliland. It's been a while.
Yeah, and we're not at Disney.
Last video you saw of us, we started the keto diet, so technically we haven't been at Disney. But we haven't filmed in a while. I had things going on. We are headed down to
The beach.
because
That's a beautiful day.
that's where we're headed. So join us. We're gonna head down to Seaside. Probably park in Seaside Park, maybe, or Heights.
Heights.
Heights. We'll show you the Jersey Shore house.
Yeah.
They never went to the water park. They built that golf course out of nowhere.
Yeah.
Here it is, guys. That's for rent, too. I mean, I've seen it a few times. We've never done the tour or anything. Do they still do that?
I think so.
Isn't it crazy, though, that all that stuff happened right there? Isn't it awesome? Do you kind of want to go in?
I do.
Was there always a candy store back there? I don't remember that. I feel like they would have gone.
Isn't this one where Snooki stayed in this one?
Yeah. And that's a summer rental. Since she was pregnant. So, yeah.
True.
Cool. I grew up going here my whole life, guys. So when Jersey Shore started, it was really weird. And like a whole different crowd of people started coming here. So there's really not going to be anything open today, but we still wanted to I need some ocean air, so here it is. And every single one of you know that excites you. So I haven't been here in a few years to actually go to the water park, which is actually behind this miniature golf course. But I can tell you that it looks amazing. And it opens at 12 every day. So if you get to the water park at 10:30, do a little swimming, play a little golf, I think that would be a really fun day. So this is, you can go on their website. I think it's under casinopier.com. Check out their prices for the season. I think I'm going to come back. Maybe on like a Sunday or Monday I'll come here. Play a little golf. Back there's the water park. Yeah, why not? Tell me about when we came here and we came to the water park. Did you enjoy it here? You had fun on the ones all the way in the back that drop you out like a toilet.
Yeah.
But you guys can see the golf course. The big boat up there. I said, this looks beautiful. He was cranky on the way here. I understand there was traffic, but I grew up in that traffic. We were in my home turf, not Mercer County, so this is Ocean County. Not that I'm from here either, I'm from Monmouth, but you get the point. Let's go see the beach. So we're here on a Wednesday, so this does us no good, but Guys, this is, I'm sure you saw in the news when Hurricane Sandy hit, this entire pier was destroyed, including the roller coaster that wound up in the water. And if you haven't seen that, I'll put a little footage right now. Wow, that thing has been up there for so many years. What is that called, ma'am?
What?
The guy?
The muffler man?
He's a lumberjack.
Lumberjack.
I feel like regular casino pier is starting to look like the Seaside Park pier, the way it used to look. So it's kind of cool because I like the other one better. And since the hurricane, it looks like they kind of made it similar. And for those of you who are huge fans, it's the Shore Store. Oh, so you can do the tour. I would do the tour just to do that. We're gonna tour the Jersey Shore house, guys. Kind of always wanted to, so why not?
Remember this general vicinity?
Yeah.
You probably had the grill that lit on fire right here.
Yes.
Funny.
I rewatched that actually before the new season just started. Oh, awesome. Here's the kitchen, guys.
Seaside Heights. Now they have stuff from the show, they have stuff they left for Janie. They wrote Angelina's name on there, crossed it off different color sprays in.
Oh, I do see it.
Now people also run out the house too, this rent Seaside Realty sign. People call that number and they're able to book a night to rent this house. It goes for $1,200 a night and sleeps 12 people. So it's about $100 a night.
That's not bad for 12 people.
Break it down. In here we do still have everything the same. Living room hangout area. We did the duck phone back from Nicole that she's calling January. You guys can sit down, pick up the duck phone, take a picture. Once you're done with that, we'll go ahead and carry on with the rest of it.
You don't have to, I was gonna say you're never gonna get up. Just pretend.
TV. The TV they didn't have on the show.
Hey. Well, I'll take a picture. There it
So this Thursday, they were forced to stay inside the house. With each other.
I'll stand over here to give them room.
Don't get on the
Over here.
Alright, so this is Pauly D and Vinny's room, you guys. Now if you look up too, you guys can kind of catch notice where all the light fixtures, cameras were all set up.
Oh,
These little things, these were all cameras, where these little square adhesives were and these little black squares were. They were rotary cameras that they could see from the production tent. So we're gonna cross through our second bathroom here. This is the one that they ended up clogging. This section here, Jenny kept her dogs as well as the refrigerator. Nicole sat inside it.
yeah.
And then we moved into the girls' room where we have Nicole, Jenny, and Dina's beds.
Wow.
So a lot of people don't really know that this was just kind of a loop they had to, you know,
Yeah, I didn't realize that.
here at this end of the house. So you don't really get that idea of the floor plan on this.
Right.
Now, oftentimes too, Sammy would have her bed down here.
Yeah,
Wow.
she lost her bed upstairs.
Let's go check out the upstairs.
There's another bathroom. Oh, thank you. Going up the stairs. Oh, it's hot. Uh-oh.
Sure, here you go.
Dun dun dun.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
It's known as the squish room, so there's nothing to elaborate on this room, so I won't. What you guys can't take notice of is the hot tub area on top of the shore store. That was destroyed during the hurricane in 2012, so we haven't really quite gone out there yet and fixed everything.
There's the hot tub.
That's going to be a job hopefully we'll be getting done soon.
This is where the fight.
Yeah.
Now this is not just a confessional room.
Oh.
Seaside Heights Smoking was very important in the fact that
I have to. I didn't expect to do this today, but I did this, and this is the only thing I can think of for a confessional. And I'm sweating.
Alright, and this is our last and final room. This is Ron, Sammy, and Mike's room. This is where all the big fights happen. You might remember when he threw the mattress out on you.
Yeah.
Sammy sat in that corner in season 1 and said Ronnie traumatized her.
Are you actually a fan of the show?
Me, I was kind of around her while it was all happening, so I'm not really like a fan or anything, but it was kind of cool being around her.
Yeah. I freaking love the confession. I need a confessional on home. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, they did not have a TV when they were here. The living room at least isn't a good size. It's kind of how I pictured it. Yeah, thank you. Well, I just want to shoot the pictures in the kitchen. Here's where they did their cooking. That's awesome. Yeah. Good times.
Yeah, alright,
Were we able to go back through?
Okay, cool.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Okay.
go back through that.
Thank you guys. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Thanks. Backstage at the shore store. There's the bathroom. For the Snooki fans. I love that they sell this. So that was really cool. I mean, Mikey was like starving. I'm starving. It's been a long day. But I'm really, really glad we did that.
Yeah.
$10 a person. It was quick, but it was hot in there, so that's totally okay. And I think my favorite thing was going in the confessional. Did you like going in the? Oh, you didn't really.
Yeah.
I'm the only one that sat, but
I had a great time. And I want to film our own show in there. Jersey Shore too. No, it was cool. It was cool to see the
was
house.
cool.
Like watching the show, you know. It was like.
yeah, we watched since I've watched since day one. It was cool. So we gonna go eat.
Yeah, it's good.
Let's go get some sausage, and then we're gonna go on the water. Run on the water on the beach. That was really cool, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And thank God it's not too hot out now because I'm a little sweaty. How about you? It was hot in there.
Yeah, it was.
It was hot in there, guys. I don't think I have a video of myself with the ocean behind me. Is the ocean behind me? I hope so.